So, English Lab on the right, American on the left. It is just too funny, the difference. The one on the left is my first American Lab. I've had 6 English on the right, and they are just the most lovable, adorable animals. But watch the difference. Okay, so we're out. All right. Duh. Come here. Give me. He's like, yeah, no. Out. Puck, you want to get the ball? Obi, you ready? Puck's like, yeah, no, I'm not. That's not me. But this is me. Over and over and over and over and over. They are just built for speed, the American Labs. But he wants to be involved.